In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your GitHub and GitLab accounts. This process allows you to effortlessly synchronize your projects between these two popular version control platforms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your GitLab account. Once you're in, look for the option that says New Project. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a few options pop up, but what we want to do here is select Import Project. This allows you to bring in an existing repository from another platform. Now, since we're specifically linking with GitHub, you'll need to choose GitHub from the list of import options. Once you've selected GitHub, you'll see a prompt to authorize the connection between your GitHub and GitLab accounts. Click on Authorize to give GitLab permission to access your GitHub repositories. This step is crucial because it ensures that GitLab has the proper access to import and synchronize your projects. With your accounts now linked, it's time to select the specific GitHub repository that you want to import into GitLab. You'll see a list of your GitHub repos. Pick the one you want to work with. After you choose the repository, GitLab will automatically create a new project for you. Once the import process is complete, navigating to your new GitLab project is the next step. Look for the Settings option on the left-hand side of your project page. Click on that, and then find the Repository settings. You'll notice an area labeled Mirroring Repositories. Go ahead and expand that section. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll need to paste the link to your GitHub repository into the designated field. After pasting, you'll want to set the mirror direction. Make sure to choose Pull, which means GitLab will automatically fetch any updates from your GitHub repository. This is a great way to keep everything in sync without having to manually push changes back and forth. Finally, don't forget to click Save to ensure that all of these settings are applied. That's it, your GitHub and GitLab repositories are now linked and synced. You'll be able to keep track of any changes made in GitHub directly through your GitLab project. In summary, we've gone through logging into GitLab, starting a new project, authorizing the connection with GitHub, selecting a specific repository for import, adjusting the mirroring settings, and saving your configurations. This seamless integration between GitHub and GitLab can drastically improve your workflow, allowing you to leverage the strengths of both platforms. So if you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content and perhaps give the video a like if you feel inspired. Thanks for watching, happy coding, and may your repositories stay organized and in sync.